Hello everyone, welcome to the first lesson in C programming. Here I'll be teaching you about the basic overview of C and how C gets compiled in different operating system, how C gets executed in different operating system, and where can you even write your C code. Right, so we'll talk about those. So at first, just to be clear, this is a Linux operating system, and here my default browser is Firefox. You can open any of your default browser. At first I'll tell you about where you can write your C code, and one of the most easiest and fastest way to write the C code is just type online C compiler, and the first link is of programlist.com, and go into that link and you will see dummy code already been written for you. You can press or click run and it gets executed in the output terminal at the right side. This code actually prints hello world in the console. It's not that big code. It's an easy and fairly simple code, and this is one way you can write C code in your operating system. The next thing I'll be teaching you is how you can compile your C source file and execute in Linux operating system. And to do that, you should open your terminal and check if you have a particular compiler or GCC installed in your system. You can write gcc -- version, and if the output is similar to this, then you have the version already installed in your system. If it's not this, then you can actually install it by doing sudo apt update. And again install this package build essential. This will install GCC in your system. After that, you can check again by doing GCC version, and you'll find that the GCC has been installed in your system. If the output is not this, then what you can do is you can close the terminal and again open it and type GCC version, and now you'll have a particular version installed in your system. The next thing we'll do is we'll create a directory, and in that directory we'll make a C source file and compile and execute that source file. So to do that, let's go to desktop and create a directory called prog. As you can see, the directory prog has been created in desktop. Let's navigate inside prog, and you can see there is nothing inside of prog. Let's open prog folder, and there's nothing inside of it. Now we'll create a text file inside of the prog directory, which will be a C text file, C source text file, right? So the gedit command is actually a text editor which creates a text file where you can write C code inside of it. So now press enter. Now I'll write a simple C code. Simple C code. This code we have just seen in the online C compiler. It's the same code. Now save the file, and to compile that file, what you'll do is you'll type gcc and file name, that was foster_c. Okay, if there is not any error, then it won't show anything in the terminal. As you can see, there's no error. Then if you see inside prog directory, now there are two files. The one is foster_c. We used gedit command to create this file, and a.out. So this file was created after the execution of this command. gcc foss.c after the compilation of this C file. And this file is actually called binary executable file, which can be executed. So this is .out is output extension, and you can actually run this file by you can actually execute this file by typing /a.out. And as you can see, the hello world has been printed in. Hello world has been printed. Okay, the hello world has been printed in the screen. Now if you see, a.out is actually a name that you didn't give, right? So it's not a custom name. So what you can do is you can write gcc foss.c and give a flag called -o, and now you can write a custom name, let's say Fost. This will create a binary executable file called Fost. You can see that it just created a Fost binary executable file. Now you can run this file, and the hello world is printed in the screen. Okay, let's edit the Foster.c, and I'll keep a new line over here so that hello world will be printed in the next line. Let's again compile it and run it. So as you can see, the hello world has been printed in next line. So this is how you actually execute and compile your C code in Linux operating system.